Hello dear students, now we have already discussed the fundamental theorem of arithmetic and also application of this theorem. Useness of this theorem we have discussed. Using this formula we have find already HCF and LCM. Now next thing, one formula for on HCF and LCM. HCM and LCM. Now the formula is multiplication of HCF and LCM of two number. Multiplication of HCF and LCM of two number is equal to product of the numbers. Is product of the numbers. Remember this formula for useness of for solution of the exercise. This is very important formula, and remember it. HCF of any two number and LCM of any two number is product of that numbers. So for any two numbers positive integer, for any two positive integer a and b, suppose a and b two positive integers, so HCF of ab and LCM of ab is equal to a into b, product of the numbers. So first find HCF of ab into LCM of ab equal to a into b. This is the formula. Remember this formula. This is most important formula in this chapter. Now one question from the exercise I have taken here. Question number 4, exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2, question number 4. Given that HCF of 306 and 657 equal to 9, it is given that 306 and 657's HCF is 9. Find the LCM. Find the LCM. If you find LCM between these two number by prime factorization, so it will be long process. You have to first find prime factorization, then common factor, then LCM. But using this formula, HCF into LCM equal to product of the numbers. I will find LCM of this number. So formula is now given what is given? Now HCF of these two number is 9 given. So HCF into LCM of these two number equal to product of the number. We are known from this formula. Now HCF equal to 9, already it is given HCF equal to 9. So I have to find LCM. So I don't know the LCM. So left LCM 306 and 656. That's equal to product of the number 306 into 657. 657 and 306. So now LCM equal to, this 9 will be divided in right hand side. So 306 into 656 by 9. So if you cut by 339 and 3102, and then again cut by 313 and 334 is 102. So the number is product is 304 into 600, so that is 22,338. You have to check once this check. So LCM 306, 306 and 657 is 22,338. Understood? So how easy find this LCM of these two number using this formula? So using this formula you can find any number, anything, HCF or LCM or product of number, if two thing is given. Either HCF given, so you can find LCM. Either LCM is given, so you can find HCF from these two from this formula. Okay. Next, for another exercise. Exercise 1.2, question number 2. Question number 2. What is the question? Find LCM and HCF of following pair of integers. So there are given two numbers, a pair of integers, and verify the LCM into HCF equal to product of the number. So you have to find first HCF and LCM of the numbers given in the question, and then you have to verify that this formula LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Now there are given three questions: 26, 91, 510, 92, 336 and 54. Now I am solving the question number 3, 336 and 54. So using prime factorization you have to find this HCF and LCM, because then you have to verify this. So now first find a prime factorization of 336. Now this is even digit, last digit, so it is divisible by 2. 168 2, so 336. Again it is 8, so 284. Again 4, 242 is 84. These are all even integer. Again 2 is even, so divided by 2. 221 is 42. Now this is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 3 7 so 7 21. Again this 7 is prime number, so 7 1 so 7. So these are all prime factors. You can see these are all prime, 2 3 7. So you can write 336 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 6, that is 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 7. Again 54 equal to, this is 4, so you can divide it by 2. 227 is 54. Again 3 9, 3 3 and 3 1. So 54 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 2 into 3 to the power 3. Okay, now the finding of HCF, the formula I have discussed in earlier videos. I am showing that once again. What was the formula? The HCF equal to product of the smallest power of each common factor in the numbers. Smallest power. So common factor is 2 2 and 3 3. None of the other factor are common. So 2 and 3 are common. And remember, for HCF, lowest, smallest power. Now here power of 2 is 1, here power of 2 is 4. So which is smallest? This power is smallest, 1 is smallest. So I have to take this 2 to the power 1. Again here 3 to the power 1 and it is 3 to the power 3. So which power is smallest? This power is 1 and this power is 3. So this is smallest power. So I have take this 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1. 2 into 3, that is 6. So HCF equal to 6. And so for HCF, product of smallest power of common factor. Understood? কমন ফ্যাক্টর যেগুলো রয়েছে তাদের মধ্যে যার পাওয়ারগুলো ছোট রয়েছে, স্মলেস্ট পাওয়ার, সেইগুলোর মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন. there is 2 and 2 is common factor, so its smallest power is 1, so product of 2 and product of 3 is 6. For LCM কি highest power of the common factor and rest of prime factor. Now 2 and 3 are common here, so the highest power means 2 to the power 4 is highest, so 2 to the power 4 multiply 3 power of 3 is 1 and 3, so this is highest power, so 3 to the power 3, and the remaining prime factor is here 7, but there is no remaining prime factor, so only 7 is remaining prime factor, so multiply by 7. So 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3 into 7, so 16 into 27 into 7, that is 3024. Okay, understood? Mind it, when HCF, then smallest power, and for LCM it is highest power. Okay, you can remember by using a trick. For HCF mean highest common factor. For highest you have to take lowest power. Smallest means lowest. So for highest common factor, from remember by its name, highest common factor HCF, so you have to take lowest power. And LCM mean largest common multiple. So in the name is largest, so you have to take here highest power of the common factor. So HCM means smallest or LCM means highest. Sorry, I have told you mistakenly. LCM means least common multiple. Least common multiple. So here the name is least, so I have taken highest power. It is power name is highest, so I have taken smallest power. So list, when the name is list, taken highest power, when name is highest, taken smallest. Understood? And for verification, LCM into HCF equal to LCM means 3024 and HCF is 6. So multiplication 18,104 and product of the numbers is 336 and 54. These are numbers. So product of this also same. So you can see here LCM into HCF equal to product of the number. So it is verified. Okay, understood? So comment if you are not understood, and inform me, response me, and start the exercise 1.2 and send me for checking. Okay, thank you.